Today we're starting off the week with the 10 top voted tech deals as voted by you, the Slickdeals community. Now, small disclosure, if you purchase any of these deals, Slickdeals may receive a small commission, but that does not affect how we rank the deals because we do not rank them, you do. Let's get on with our first deal. Number 10, Tautronics has their Sound Surge 40 active noise canceling over-ear headphones on sale for $24 after promo code BEST40. Now, when this deal started, multiple colors were available, but now only pink is left. Now, if you like pink, this deal is perfect for you, and if you don't like pink, just use them at home. Number 9, Best Buy has the Apple HomePod in multiple colors on sale for $199, which is a full $100 off of its retail price. Now, we've heard good things about the sound quality of the speaker, but you still have to use Siri. Another Apple deal, Walmart has the iPad Pro 2018 model for $674, normal price $800. Number 7, Amazon has a 2-pack of 6-foot Excense USB-C braided cables on sale for $6 after you use the promo code that you can find in the description. These cables are 6 feet long, which is perfect for after a long day when you just want to watch YouTube videos in bed and then you drop the phone on your face like I do. Number 6, PC Richard & Son has the 75-inch Samsung 4K Smart TV with HDR for $1,000. This is a pretty highly rated TV and Slick dealers seem to like it, and it's even $269 less than a previous front page deal. Number 5, you get an Aki DR02 dash cam from Amazon for $45 if you use the promo code, which you can find in the description. Now, we've reviewed this model before and you can find that review here. And if it's not here right now, you can wait till the end of the video and we'll link it there. Number 4, we got another TV deal for you. Best Buy has the 65-inch Samsung Q70 QLED 4K TV on sale for $950. Now, the retail price for this is a whopping, what's the retail price? $2,200. So you're saving a boatload of cash. Before we get into our top 3 tech deals of the week, remember Slickdeals has a browser extension that auto applies coupons for you, so you don't need to keep going down the description to find them. All you need to do is download the extension and we will auto apply coupons and show you the best deals from all of your favorite sites. Number 3, Nooe has the Jabra Elite 65T wireless earbuds on sale for $50. Now, these are refurbished and they only come with a 30-day return policy, so test them out if you decide to buy them. Number 2, Direct Tools Outlet has the Ryobi One Plus floating Bluetooth speaker on sale for $13. Now, shipping is $7, so really you're paying about $20 for this speaker. Now, it is factory blemish and it does not come with a battery, but it's only $20 for an amazing pool party. Our number 1 top voted tech deal of the day is from Amazon. They have the Aki 3-pack of 3-foot USB-C cables on sale for $6.14. Now, normal price is $13 for these, and they're some of the best USB-C cables you can buy, and you can find all the details on the promo code in the description. So that's it. Those are the 10 top voted tech deals currently found on Slickdeals. If you liked any of these deals, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for the next episode, and we'll see you next time.